Hi everyone, Sue Johnson here with notes on planning to live in a Class C RV. Can we really get along in a small space? A quick overview of my Honda CRV, the back of it. I created a platform. I've got a 4-inch mattress on it. I've got mosquito netting there. I've got my pee bottle if I ever need it. The platform doesn't cover the whole area, so I've got some storage room that I can use. It lifts up. There's storage area underneath. That's my portable table there. The mattress is stretched out behind the two seats, but I'm thinking of putting it along the side to create more space on that one edge. You know, when I was on Oprah's show, I remember they started the video, and then at first when they started, we had to pause. I guess that's so that they could edit out part of the intro. I don't know. Okay, the other thing I learned going along the way is that you need to have your camera, your iPhone, horizontal so that you get the full screen thing as opposed to something with black bars on each side. I learned that while I was applying for Survivor. It's spot on Survivor. And I didn't submit my application because I couldn't get my video to upload. It kept saying it was too big. And so I omitted that. Or actually, I didn't omit it. I decided to wait till the fall because somebody had said it's better to wait for the fall. And this would be auditions for the 2024 season. So I know, I'll be 69 going on 70, and what makes me think I could do that? Go on Survivor. I got a lot of gumption, I guess. So what makes me think that I can live in an RV full time? Same reason. Sort of guts, gumption. I don't know. I get an idea and I like to explore it and go with it. So one of the things that I was thinking about while I was driving right now is that, my vehicle is turned off, so I'm not driving now. I'm at my destination. But before I go in, one of the things I was thinking about as I was coming along the road is there's a game. I play games with myself. This game is imagine what it was like before you had a car. You didn't have a car to drive to the store to get anything. Imagine what that was like. Now, here you are, you're in your car. Imagine that you've just got it. And what you do is you bring back those initial feelings that you had. Also, I'm thinking, imagine that the width of this car and probably a little bit wider in the back is your living space. How would you manage with that? And for me, it's a challenge, and I think that I would manage very well. So we're going to get a little bit of opportunity this summer to try out living in smaller spaces. One is we're going to my stepson, my husband's firstborn boy. He has purchased an RV on a piece of land. They came with a boat, and I said, okay, we're going to come up, and I'm going to also camp with the Honda. We have a Napier tent that attaches directly onto the back of our Honda. Very convenient. And I sleep in the Honda. So that's one thing we're doing. And the other thing is we're going to be camping in Jordan Valley Campgrounds, which is in wine country in southern part of Ontario. So, a friend said, what's it going to be like to live in small spaces? And I think for him it might be difficult, but for us, we're looking forward to it. So anyway, just thought I would mention that now. So I'm trying to save up my money to go to Disney. Not trying to, I am. And I'm also trying, this is what I'm trying not to do. I'm trying not to spend money and buy things that I know I will not be able to take into an RV with me. So, two birds with one stone, old phrase. I actually bought some space saver bags. Now, I got these so that I could pack for Disney, but then as I'm driving home, I realized I can use these for storing things in my RV when I get it. So, two birds with one stone. Great shopping. I have a few ideas that I've been thinking in, and one is to hang a bungee cord across the handle so that I can hang my clothes on. I will purchase a painter's white drop cloth to cover the windshield so that I have some privacy. I have rabbit fur covering my 4-inch foam mattress so that I can easily slide off the bed and go to the washroom at night if I need to. Our wild senior plan. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.